Today's topic is to group all those similar matching elements of the second tuple values in the list of the tuples. What we are going to do is first we are going to initialize our list and the dictionary. After that, in the for loop, we are going to have the if and else condition over here. In the if condition, we are stating that if the y key is already present in the dictionary, then we are just going to store the value of our tuple in the list directly having the key y. Else, we are going to create a key y and then we are going to store the value. As you can see it over here, when we go through the first tuple, which is 20, first it creates the 20 as the key and then stores the value, which is 10 comma 20. After that, it passes by. When it comes to the 60 comma 20 value, it's gonna store the 60 comma 20 in the 20 key value and then 70 and also in the 20 key value. Same thing goes for having the key 30 and the 10.